Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. The Mazda Arata is a design concept model for which Mazda took on a challenge to create a new value based on a Mazda philosophy of uplifting the human spirit. As a crossover SUV with a modern design that creates a sleek, elegant impression, it is designed to appeal to the advanced, sophisticated tastes of Chinese consumer. The design theme is soulful, futuristic, modern. It embodies futuristic and modern form that evoke the image of a new way of life with new energy vehicles, while fusing the excitement of motion pursued by Mazda design and the sense of life unique to Kodo design. The side view boasts stick door and a three-dimensional configuration that provide traction to the four tires, creating a powerful, dynamic shape that is typical of Kodo design. The crosswing rear combination lamp with their two wings overlapping each other are also used to emphasize the Mazda brand. Air tunnels are set at the tips of the front and hood, on both sides of the front bumper, and on the inside of the D-pillars, to name a few. The improved aerodynamic characteristics contribute to improved environmental performance while lending a futuristic sense to the model.